Hey there everyone, my name's Nathan Elson, and today I'm going to show you how to create a perfect little portrait studio using nothing but two V-flats and a large window. So let's just get into it. So as you can see here, I have two V-flats put together to form a three-sided box, with my model Cameron positioned in the middle of this box facing towards the window. Now, what I love about this setup is how easy it is to adjust the contrast and the contouring on the subject's face and body by simply opening or closing the V-flats to produce more or less shadow. With the V-flats opened wide, the lighting is a little bit more flat. As I close the V-flats in, the shape in her face and body starts to become a lot more pronounced. And for my own personal taste, more shape and shadow detail is always the goal. So for this first image, I have the V-flats open to around 90 degrees, using the black side of the V-flats to absorb the light, which enhances the shadows and the natural contouring of Cameron's face, while the large window gives a really flattering catch light. And when you put these two things together, this is what it looks like. And so now I'm going to close the V-flats in even more so that we end up with more of a strip of light that looks a little more focused, which isn't a massive difference, but it does give the final image a slightly more dramatic mood, which again is created by simply making small adjustments to how much light is coming into our little portrait studio. And as you can see, when we put these two images side by side, the image on the right where I had the V-flats closed in that much more just has a little bit more mood to it. And that's the whole setup, which can be done anywhere with a window, or you can simply take it outside, which is something that I have done many times in the past, and it works beautifully. It doesn't have to be shot in a large studio space, and that is one of the major reasons why I love setups like this so much. And that's all there is to it, a super easy and effective way to create beautiful portraits using nothing but two V-flats and some natural light. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.